welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, I'm going to be talking about the ultimatemedium.com course part 10 of 30, and today's title is how to get more read time from Medium members on your Medium stories. So my friends, in the previous parts of the course, I emphasized on the kicker and subheading. These are very important things. The pictures I have already discussed, Creative Commons pictures, images. Now what you can do to boost the read time is first of all focus on your first paragraph, and you can use these editing features like I did, making the first word big. There is an option in the editor, and trying to do some bolds, trying to make short paragraphs initially. I'm trying to learn this because the Illumination publication owner, Mehmet Yildiz, he told me that you should make smaller paragraphs, and if you look at these bigger writers, they always focus on smaller paragraphs, at least initially and also throughout the Medium story. So you need to do this. You need to use quotation marks of important sentences. These are some of the tips and tricks, my friends, and you need to, I think a lot of people will tell you this. Somebody was telling me, criticizing me, Medium writer, that you use a lot of pictures. Well, the times have changed. These pictures, these images, they are free to use with proper citations, and it is inbuilt in the Medium editor. So you should be using them, to be honest with you. You should be using them after each and every subheading, and this will boost the read time. And then comes the embedding options, the two embedding options which are crucial. One is the YouTube/Vimeo one. You can add relevant videos, embed them somewhere in the Medium story, and embed important tweets that are relevant to your Medium stories. This will boost the read time, my friends, and also this will give credibility to your Medium story. And this creates a lot of content, upscales your content really, because you have a relevant Twitter post embedded, and it looks very, very nice, my friends, and it's legal to use as well. Like, you can monetize the content as well. So why not use it, my friends? Why not take advantage of it? You see, in the end, I used the double quotation mark, and this really emphasized some of the text, the last text especially. So I tried to show you guys all of the stuff. I also used Wikipedia page. Look at this, the person that I'm talking about, Jan Likan. If you open it up, Jan Likan, he is AI scientist in Meta, chief AI scientist in Meta. Now people don't know about this. Why not share a Wikipedia link? Just highlight the text and you can add in a link inside of it, and I bolded it as well. So these are very small things, my friends, and these small things matter in the end, because you get lots and lots of read time. Now, to show you results, my friends, I'm going to show you the results. If I refresh the page, you see I have got 8 reads, and the read ratio is 31%. So most of my articles, they have a read ratio of above 30% or 25%, which is actually quite good, my friends. It is very, very good. So these were some of the tips that I gave you guys to boost your read time. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 11 in the series coming right up.